In this video today, I'm going to explain how to create a thumbnail through Canva. Okay, so I'll give you step-by-step approach and I'll be creating a thumbnail for you right in front of you so that you can understand the process, right? So once you go inside canva.com, you will see this interface. Now you need to click on create a design, then select YouTube thumbnail. The dimension should be 1280 into 720. Click on this. After this page will appear. Right now on the left hand side you can see designs option. You can select one of the templates which is given here. Okay, and you can, once you click on this, it will get added on this blank space. But I have chosen some of means the photos which I want to create thumbnail. So I'll take a screenshot. Okay, I have taken a screenshot and I'll upload the screenshot here. I've already taken the screenshots. Okay, whatever images you want to upload, just click on the upload, or you can simply drag and drop. Since I'm creating a thumbnail whose title is how to create a thumbnail on Canva. Interesting, right? So I have created I have taken a screenshot of the Canva interface, the thumbnail I want to create. Now I'll add a mask over it, a black shadow over it. I have selected this shape, square shape, and I'll keep black image. I'll cover this image on this. Okay, now I'll lessen the transparency, okay, so that it becomes less visible. Yeah, this is good. Now I'll be adding one more image over here, this one, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, yeah, I'll place it here. Now I'll select an option. I'll select something. Means here what we need to do, we need to choose the image. We need to think about the size, what background we want to keep. Then we need to add the text. We need to choose the font style. We need to add some graphics, right? We need to choose colors very strategically. Once you get used to the Canva, you get to know more about the features, right? You need to adjust the image. Then we need to save the thumbnail. Now, let's say I know element called glow box. Okay, I'll go to glow box. Okay, now let me see if I can adjust this glow box in it. No, it's not getting adjusted. No problem, we'll keep it like this. Okay, we'll see some other option. Okay, if you can use this one, is this would fit? Yes, I'm also just trying. I'm not saying this is any proven formula. You just need to keep trying with the thumbnail. Once you keep creating the thumbnail, you get good at it. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, let's search for Canva logo. Canva logo. Okay, now just take this logo, place it somewhere, let's say like this. And the screenshot I also have taken from the main Canva screen. Okay, if you see here, let me show you. If you see here, this is the main Canva page. I've just taken this area screenshot. So this is just the creativity. I do some of the changes in the color of the Canva logo. I'll make it more brighter so that it is more visible on the thumbnail. Okay, so you can adjust all the color correction you can do, and by clicking on edit photo. By clicking on edit photo, you can remove the background from here, and you can click on the adjust. Then you can play with the colors, right? However you like. Okay, now Canva is fine. Now let's add text. If you want to add any photo, you can just click on this photo and you can search about the photos, right? Let's say a dog, anything. Okay, dog images you will get. And let's say if you click on the element also, right, and you simply click dog. Okay, here you get all the options, right? You get graphics, photos, everything together. You will just, if you click on graphics, you'll get all the graphics. If you click on photos, you'll get all the photos, right? And even if you select this photo, you can remove the background also. If you click on videos, you'll get the videos also. So you just need to know where things are there. Now let's add text. Okay, as you know, I'm creating a thumbnail. How to create thumbnail using Canva. Okay. I can keep this logo over here. I can place it at the side and place it left align. It's time to choose the font. Okay, let's select everything, and let's choose a font. Which one looks good? Font is red. Yeah, this looks good. Let's do capital C. Let's do capital U. How to create thumbnail using Canva. Now what we can do, we can choose the effect option. You can choose the outline option. Okay, you can change color. Click here and click here. Now it is more visible. It is the outline has become black, so it is popping out and it's looking good. You can improve the thickness also like this. Okay. Now if you want to change color, let's say if you want to change color of this to yellow, you can do that. How to create thumbnail using Canva. If you want to change the color of Canva to, let's say, blue, light blue, we can do that. If you want to darker the black the black shadow which we took, okay, so just click on this three dot, click on the transparency. You can improve the transparency. Okay, it is looking more clear now. It is looking clearer. Yeah, looks good. Simple. How to create thumbnail using Canva. Perfect. And then click on share, click on download, select the PNG format or the JPG format, whatever you like. I'll select PNG because quality remains intact, and click on download. Thumbnail is created and you can use the same. In this way you can create thumbnails and subscribe to my channel. I'll create more tutorials like this where I'll be doing live and I'll show you while doing it.